Alright, sixth graders, welcome to our short video tutorial on how you use Movie Maker to compile all the PowerPoint slides and video captures and audio captures that you did on our lab PCs and iPads to create your top 10 list. As you can see on my desktop, it looks just like yours, and we've created our top 10 list folder yesterday in class, and your files should be in there. I'll show you that my files are in there. So we'll be using that folder today, and we'll also be using this Movie Maker software. So let's go ahead and double click it, and it's going to open up to this screen. And so this is really our blank slate, and here it says click to browse for videos and folders and photos, or we can use the add videos and photos up here, this button. But the very first thing we need to do is up here on the left, we need to click and hit save project as, and I'm going to put this in my top 10 folder on the desktop, and I'm going to call this folder sample, or I'm going to call this file sample video. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and now I can see up here in the title bar I have sample video. I've got the name of my video. So now what I'm going to do is I want to get all of those great clips that we made into the software. So I'm going to hit add videos and photos, and I'm going to locate again that top 10 list photo file that we worked on, and I want to just bring in my initial slide, and I see that Movie Maker has decided that my first slide is going to be 7 seconds long, and we'll decide if that's long enough or too short when we preview it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add videos and photos again. I'm going to bring in my sample video number 1, and let's go ahead and bring in our sample video number 2. And you'll do this process, add videos and photos, until you've got your slides and your videos in there. I would suggest you do them in the order that you want your video to be in. It'll be much easier for you to do that than trying to rearrange and move these around. Now, if I drag this slider all the way back to the beginning, I can preview what I've put out here. So if I hit play, I see here's my top 10 online safety tips intro slide. This is a sample video. You'll insert this into your project. Here's another sample clip. Remember, you should be selecting the top 10 safety tips that you think you can follow and make a safe change for yourself. Okay, so I like what we've got here so far. I do feel like this first slide might be a little bit too long. So what we can do is, if I want to go up here and click animations, visual effects, project, view, and edit. And so what I want to do is get all the way over to edit, and I just wanted to click this here, and I just want to make this be 4 seconds. And you can see it immediately cut down the size of my slide. And so now if I hit play, I'm reading my top 10 online safety tips, and then I'll read the name. Yep, I think that was about right. And so I know the clips are as long as I want, and so I feel pretty good about that. So I can go back to the beginning. Now, our animations are the transitions between our videos and our PowerPoint slides. So right now, you see there's nothing selected. If I hover over top, it will automatically show me what it will look like, so I can see what it looks like beforehand. And you know what? I really like this kind of soft blur through the black. So I'm going to click this, and now it's automatically put that here. I can see that this little gray triangle in the corner shows me that there's a transition. Now I can click here on my next slide, or my video, and it'll show me, as I hover, all the options that I have. And there are multiple options. So let's go ahead and let's choose this one. There again, I see my gray triangle. And then lastly, I'm going to select, here's another, oh, this one here. I like this one a lot. So that is how we can apply an animation to our project. Now, we can go back to our home tab, and we can select record narration if you need to add some narration to your project. Then finally, what we do is we go back up to our menu and hit save movie for my computer, because we want this to be on our computer first. And again, we want to go locate our top 10 list, and this one we called sample video, and we want it to say MPEG-4 and MPEG-4. I'm going to hit save. It's going to save my movie. Okay, I just got confirmation that it worked, and it's going to give me the option to open the folder,
and I can see there it is. Excellent. And then next week